What?
So hey guys, users of the new iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max may experience an odd problem, uncontrolled lens movement. Some people find that their camera shakes and even create a horrible grating noise when accessing the camera on the third-party apps such as Instagram, Snapchat or TikTok, as shown in videos and complaints uploaded around the internet. Yes, the back camera sensor on certain iPhone 14 Pro owners' devices is being to shake significantly whenever they open a third-party app. Looking at it, it appears that the third-party app's camera optimization hasn't performed effectively on these Pro model phones. This will be the first time an iPhone has such camera problems. Apple YouTuber Gyani shared a video on Twitter demonstrating how using Snapchat causes his iPhone 14 Pro Max camera to vibrate, blurring the image completely. Additionally, a buzzing or rattling sound that doesn't sound nice may be clearly heard coming from the lens. As of right now, it doesn't appear that the fault affects the iPhone's camera app, which might indicate that the problem is with the software of the third-party apps rather than Apple's hardware. It could be necessary to send an update, particularly for the iPhone 14 Pro for Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. Even yet, we are unsure of what harms, if any, is done to the camera itself, which is concerning seeing that this is a $1,000 plus device. To fix this issue, the affected third-party apps will need to release updates. If this proves to be the case, it might be the developer's responsibility for not making the necessary modifications to the iPhone 14 Pro cameras. For certain iPhone 14 Pro owners, the issue is connected with the optical image stabilization. Basically, this feature aims to prevent blurring in videos caused by user movement while the video is being recorded. In order to adjust for the shakiness of the iPhone user's grip, a module within the device is moved, and the metallic sound that can be heard in the background of the video that goes along with this story might possibly be related to the movement of this module. This might be a major official statement next week on the iPhone 14 Pro variants. Let me know in the comments if this issue is happening with your iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max. So what do you think about this $1,000 plus issue? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.